Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. Well guys, to open this video, I might say to you that this video or this AI might be very suitable for you if you are the fashion designer, and if you need the AI to help you, let's say, transform your sketch into the fashion design. And don't worry, because this AI, it exists guys. Yes, in this video I'd like to share you how to use the NewArc AI. However, if you are not the fashion design, but if you would like to explore more about the AI, don't worry guys, you can stay tuned over here, and here I will also show you how to work and do something with this new AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, here I am access this new AI from my PC to get more spacious view. And after you open this website or this AI, you will find the home page over here, and you will see the introduction that this AI will help you to turn your drawings and sketches into the image in second. And if you see in the right side, you will see it's kind of the video or the illustration about how to work with this new AI. You can put the picture of your sketch, and this AI will help you to make it the sketch into the clothes or maybe the fashion in reality and in the real or maybe the high realistic look guys. And this is the homepage when you have not done the login first. You can click this one or maybe this one, and for example I will click this, and after that this will be the homepage after you do the login. And if you scroll down, you will find the package that they offer, for example the annual and also the monthly. Which one do you prefer guys, because they also provide you or offer you this discount, so you can't miss this discount guys. You can try it. And if you would like to try it for free, don't worry, because you can start to create the project, or usually it will direct you into this section, or you can also add the project. In my experience, after I did the login, it will automatically direct me into this section guys. And you can also choose the model like this in the NewArc Experimental or NewArc V3. For the NewArc V3, it will also give you the chance to create the image more than one. However, if you choose this NewArc Experimental, it will only give you the chance to create one picture. And after that, you can put your sketch picture like this, and after that you can put the prompt or request. And for example, I will show you the prompt I got. This is just the simple prompt: change the color of this dress to be the elegant silky dark blue, and also add the golden color for the belt like this. And initially for the new user, they will give you, it's kind of 10 credits or 10 chances to generate this sketch into the picture or the realistic picture of a fashion. However, this is the 9 credits I have now, or the 9 image left. And after that, you can continue to generate. This is the section of the sketch, and after waiting for a while, maybe 15 seconds, this picture can be transformed into this realistic photo guys. And you can also see it. And for example, I would like to download it. By the way, the picture will be in the PNG picture, and you will see the detail that the picture is quite beautiful and also very realistic. And you can also create it the new one, maybe if you would like to change it. And you can also click this suggest prompt to get the variation of the style of from this sketch, guys. And for example, I will click generate and kindly wait for the another result. It will be show you the short notification like this, and this will be the another picture that we will have from this prompt. And after that, after I follow this prompt, this picture or this AI create me the another version of fashion or this clothes or this dress. It is very beautiful, guys. You can try it now and you can click download as your evaluation if you would like to try this NewArc AI to create your own fashion. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this NewArc AI to create your fashion look. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.